Yo! Wait, why am I screaming in your ear though? It's way too early to be screaming. I'm dropping something really quick. I want to thank my boy, Ryan Hawley, Pastor Ryan Hawley. If you don't know about him, you're going to learn about him. We're putting together some fire merch for this young pastor. Now, it's just a simple piece out of vinyl, but vinyl works every single time too. So if you're just starting out, if you want to know what equipment to buy from the very beginning, I always suggest, unless you buy some transfers, get yourself a cutter, a Cricut or a Cameo, some couple rolls of vinyl, because vinyl is still a really great tool to use. So let's head over to my computer. And I know there's a lot of people on my platform that already do vinyl, that know vinyl very well, that are masters at vinyl. So this video really is for those that are just starting out, that are following me, that ask me this question all the time, like Rube or Buddy, because they think my name is Buddy, T-shirt Buddy, so Buddy. I might just change my name to Buddy. Anyway, that's a whole nother conversation, but this is for those folks that are just starting or wanting to start. I always suggest start here first, learn the vinyl process. Look, and the rest from there is easy money. Let's go print Ryan stuff, Pastor Ryan Hawley stuff right now. All right, again, I'm gonna give you a tutorial on all this later on. I just wanna show you how quick and easy it is. So I ran through the printer already, the cutter, the Cameo Cuatro, Cameo 4. All right, and I mean, of course, with vinyl, the one thing I may not like is I'm not much into weeding anymore, right? This is why I love transfers and things like that. Having done, does that make sense? Vinyl for so long, I just don't like to weed a lot of times anymore. But again, if I need to and when I need to, I absolutely will. It's such an easy process. So I'm gonna weed this out. You'll see what it comes out like. And it's pretty quick. This is some Siser vinyl, Siser, however you guys want to pronounce that. I still struggle to pronounce that thing after years of using it. Let's see here. See how simple this is, right? One shot. Bam. Oops. Woo, woo, woo. Almost there. Take out some of these little cabbages. Bam, there, team. And what I want to do here, right, is I want to take out the lettering on the inside of this box so that the color of the shirt will pop through here where the letters are at, and it'll have the white border around it, right? We'll get there in a sec so you can see what I'm talking about. And you can see right in here, right? Almost there. Bam, right? They're nice. Ooh, let's get in there. It's not hard. I mean, vinyl is not difficult. It's not difficult. It's just a little time consuming, because you gotta go through this process of weeding and things like that. It could be kind of lengthy. And it can be, actually, let me take that back. It can be time consuming if you're layering vinyl, different colors. So I will do that only on special occasions. But don't get me wrong, I can get down on some vinyl. I can create some stuff. Just not my preference when I'm able to do DTF, eye color, sublimation, and things like that. And there we have it. Look how easy that is, right? Team Church Kid. Bam, put that on the shirt and we're done. All right, y'all, even though I didn't show you the whole process of me putting this design in and printing it through the Cameo, I at least want to show you me weeding out these smaller pieces, so that for those. Again, this video is more for those trying to get into the t-shirt business, getting into vinyl. This is the process of that. I'm gonna do a full tutorial. Like I said, this is just for my buddy. These are a couple one-offs that he needs, but I at least wanted to show a little bit of the process, make some content out of it. But I'm gonna do a full tutorial on how to do vinyl for sure. Again, this is just me showing you what I'm doing. Some couple one-offs. I mean, you figure some couple one-offs, $25 a shirt. And so I made $50, right? Just on a couple of shirts, just like that, right? It doesn't take me that much time at all whatsoever. And it's not that much work. So we're gonna just continue to weed this thing out, right? And I'll show you me pressing them on this shirt, how simple, how quick that is, and how fast we get done, right? And so imagine, whether you're using transfers or whether it's vinyl, right? So imagine just doing a couple of orders per day, right? So if I can make $50, just on 2 shirts, and it's gonna take me less than an hour. Imagine how much you can make with a couple of orders, right? And you know, whether you charge in bulk or whether you charge for a couple of shirts, it's some great income. It can be a full-time job. It can be a career, and it could be a fun one. Now, vinyl isn't my preference all the time. I'll do it, like I said, for some one-offs if I have to, but the best choice that I ever made was becoming an entrepreneur. Can you see it through there? Well, let's take it off this mat. Was becoming an entrepreneur, working for myself, right? And being able to dictate my hours, my days, vacations, going PP when I want to, eating when I want to. Look how simple that is. That says, love God, love people, love yourself. Ryan K. Holly Jr. That's my guy. I'll show you guys a picture of him and everything of him soon because I want you to follow him. And again, simple work, one color, and we're done. All right, and my home skillets, now that I have cut all that out, weeded everything out, now we're just gonna press them hella fast. I keep my press at 320 for 11 seconds, and then I might press it twice, you know, like peel it and then press it again. But let's press these really quick for my guy, because I gotta get down the highway and give them to him ASAP. All right, so when I throw this on the press, right, throw this on the press one time. You can see it's got some wrinkles in it, so I'm gonna press it one time, about 3 to 5 seconds or so, just to get the wrinkles out before I put the vinyl on there for the final press. I'm good there. Let me get this on here. Let's go with Team Church Kid first. Team Church Kid, something I just created for him right now. And if it's popular enough, we might put it up for you to buy. If anyone's interested, let me or Ryan know. I got you. Let's put it on. I'm good with my eyes. I can eye it and have it right on the money. So 3 to 4 fingers down from that collar is where I know I'm going to start my image at, right? Make sure it lines up. I do have a t-shirt ruler I tend to use as well sometimes. Works perfect. Just to make sure I'm right on the money. I was off by a little bit, not a lot. And I know I'll be right there. I will zoom in really quick so you can see. Not that you can really tell, but I am right on the money. 3 fingers from that collar, right? Gives me a little bit of room. I can even put 4 in if I want to, but I know that's exactly where I want to start my image. So then what I do is throw some parchment paper over the top of that, right? And let's go. And then bam, 11 seconds, pull that bad boy up, peel it off. Oh, there it goes. Right, look at that. This is my habit. I tend to roll this back up. I use it kind of like my lint brush. Take off whatever little lint I still see on there. Something I've been doing for a long time. There we go. Oops. Like that. Of course, do so without burning your hands over the top. Right after I do that, I'll do one more pass. Parchment paper back over the top again. I won't go 11 seconds on this one. A few seconds just to make sure I seal it in there. And voila, complete, right? And for this video, by the way, I use the Stahls 1701. But there you go, Team Church Kid. How easy, how simple is that, right? And so let's do the next one, get these over to him. And like I said, give me a couple days or so. I'm gonna do a full tutorial. In fact, I might do several of them. I might do some on how to layer different colors of vinyl. Again, this is more for beginners, people trying to get into the t-shirt business that I'll do these tutorials for. Because like I said, there are some master vinyl people on my platform. So for those of you who are master vinyl people, Let me be. I'm just doing these for beginners. You know how easy this is. Let's move on to the next one. All right, my good folks, there you have it. Simple as that, right? Love God, love people, love yourself. Ryan K. Holly Jr. and Team Church Kid. Simple and easy way to make some shirts and a few bucks at the same exact time. All right, y'all, so there you have it. Quick little video on doing some quick one-offs with some vinyl, some one colors. It's not hard at all. It's one of the most funnest, most profitable, one of the most greatest things that I ever got myself into was the t-shirt business. And there's so many ideas that you can create. For me, before I even go to printing something super big, right? If I just want to test some stuff out, I'll do some one color stuff in some vinyl, see what my friends think, wear it around, see if I get any traction. And then I move to like a screen print transfer if I feel like that it'll do well. But even if it doesn't, I wear all my own stuff all the time. I will literally just grab a shirt and feel like putting something on there and just wear it for myself. So even if nobody buys it, making it for myself, wearing my own ideas is amazing. So anyway, if you like that video, give me a quick thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go follow my boy, Pastor Ryan Holly. He is an amazing, amazing man of God. So on that note, we are out.